You got a message to our viewers?
Torque your wheels, please. Yeah, nobody
was injured.
nobody's injured yet. So
Not yet. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. We're driving right now to the mechanic, and today we're making the front springs to lower the car. And yeah, we have around 1 hour to drive, and we'll show you when you're there and keep you guys updated. And yeah,
It's gonna be a special guest today, right?
yeah, it is. It's gonna be a surprise. I think a lot of you maybe know him. We'll see.
We'll see.
So guys, as you can see, we got the Mr. Beat cars here. Nice cars. Very nice. As you can see, the Mr. Beat cars.
Bro, those are not Mr. B cars. Those are Trabant. Those are DDR deutsches Kulturgut.
It is sick.
I swear. So, we now arrived at the shop, and I think some of you recognize this beauty right here.
We're at the Crashoutboyz.
Yes, sir.
Crashoutboyz headquarters.
Yeah. And now we better lower this bitch. Elijah,
yeah,
you got a message to our viewers?
torque your wheels, please.
You think that's how we get?
Yeah. So we got it out now. It was a bit of a job, but we got it out now.
Yes, sir. And how's it going?
It was going okay, but I just realized the spring loader is stuck under, but we should still be able to get it out. Yeah. So the first spring is in.
Without anyone getting in.
Yeah, nobody
Was injured.
nobody's injured yet. So
Not yet.
I'ma pray to God we don't get injured. So we got the old spring out. Piece of shit, and those are the new ones that are going in. So tell me, what do you think about those old springs?
They are way too large, man.
Way too high.
Fuck them high springs.
They look so clean.
Yeah, they do. And also they're blue, just like my car, and it just matches.
Hell yeah. It's a bit of darker blue, but still, blue is blue.
Famous game.
Hell yeah. So, the first spring is in. Looks really nice, really tight and shit. And yeah, now we are heading to spring number 2. Right, so far, how's the job going?
it's going good. I'm actually surprised. The other side is already in, so we just gotta repeat and then we're good. Angst om seine schönen Kohlflügel. Jetzt kannst du echt Wogenheber ansetzen.
So now both sides are finished. Just gonna tighten the bolts up, but first of all, gotta go smoke one, right?
Yes, finally.
Hell yeah. Now let's see. Shit! That shit is low. Damn. What do you think? Is it low enough?
No.
It's not how we love.
No, if you put some spacers, bring the wheel out, then it will look good.
Yeah, it's missing spacers. Yeah, that's true.
That shit looks clean. Holy Jesus.
Roll over. Yeah, that was GP
This shit looks nice.
Hier is scheißegal, man.
So, the springs are now installed. This thing looks absolutely beautiful, especially besides this beauty right here. Damn,
Yeah, man, it looks crazy.
it looks so beautiful.
So we're done and we got a souvenir. Crashoutboyz certified.
Hell yeah.
Shit, it's got a little crack in here.
Hell yeah. Crashoutboyz, springs are installed. You like it?
I love it, man. I love it.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot to these guys, man.
Yeah.
Really nice people.
Subscribe to Crashoutboyz if you don't.
Definitely.
You like men.
Yeah.
No homo. Big shout out to Crashoutboyz and especially Elijah for helping us install those springs. We really enjoyed it. It was really a fun time and it was really cool hanging with those guys and doing stuff like this. Especially go check out Crashoutboyz. They also make really sick videos. I will leave the link to the channel down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it and see you guys in the next video.